Hello guys, this is binaryoptions.net.au, and with this recording I would like to start a mini educational series called How to Trade Binary Options Using the Bollinger Band Indicator, or trading binary options with the Bollinger Band. Now, the Bollinger Band is one of the most popular indicators available on any trading platform, and it is used by traders all over the world for one reason and one reason only. It is a trend indicator. So basically, if you have a trend, a bullish or a bearish trend, you will let's say have a greater chance of following the trend if you are using the Bollinger. Now, on the first part, I would like to show you where to find the Bollinger indicator and what is the, let's say, the standard interpretation, and how, during 4 different recordings you will see how to use it in order to buy put or call options. Now, this is the US dollar Canadian dollar 1 hour chart on the J4X, but if you click here, and here, as you can see, the add indicator tab, and then the add indicator tab appears, and you have all these kinds of possibilities here to choose. Well, under the overlap studies, we have the B bands, as you can see here, Bollinger Band. If you click the Bollinger Band, as you can see, you will have 3 different lines: the upper band, so the upper Bollinger Band, or the UBB, the middle band, the middle Bollinger Band, and the lower band. The middle band is by far the most important one, and I would strongly recommend for everybody that uses Bollinger Bands when trading. I would strongly recommend to use for the middle Bollinger Band an EMA, as you can see here. The middle band is a moving average, actually, but it can be of different types. It can be a DEMA, that means double exponential moving average, or a TEMA, triple exponential moving average, or all kind of other possibilities here. It can be a simple moving average, all right, or it can be EMA. I strongly recommend for it to be EMA. EMA means exponential moving average, and an exponential moving average is a bit different than a simple one, because it takes into consideration a bit things a bit more, let's say, more accurate. Use the time period, the 20. You may, of course, make it 25, 23, 11, whatever. Use 20. What does it mean? It means that it will take into consideration, for calculating the exacting point for the EMA, it will take into consideration the previous 20 candles. Also use the close price, so you want to use the close price on the candle and not the open price. I mean, you can play with them as you want, but the close price is the most important. I want to see when the candle closed, not when the candle opens. So if you click OK, this is the indicator, the Bollinger Bands indicator. Let me make it a bit more visible. So let's make it 2, 2, and 2, like this. And like said a bit earlier at the beginning of this recording, we are looking at upper Bollinger Band, middle Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band. So let's write here on the screen for you to know. This is the US dollar Canadian dollar 1 hour chart, remember? Let's make it a bit bigger, something like this, or like this. So let's write that this is the upper Bollinger Band, and of course the one to the downside here is the lower, the red one is the lower Bollinger Band. So the lower Bollinger Bands, and then of course the most important line of them all is the EMA, that EMA 20, or the middle Bollinger Bands, and of course this is the green line here. So middle Bollinger Bands or the EMA. Again, this is the most important trend line, the most important line of them all, and they are traveling, or price is traveling within these boundaries all the time. Upper Bollinger Bands, lower Bollinger Bands. Now, what is the standard interpretation of this indicator, and how to put it into practice when trading binary options will come on the second part, on the next recording. So stay tuned here in order to see how to position when you want to trade binary options using the Bollinger Bands indicator. So keep in mind, this is binaryoptions.net.au, please.